What is productivity? To start with, it kind of helps to understand what we're measuring with productivity. So first off, we're measuring the allowed hours of a job and then comparing that to how long it actually takes you to do the job. So to come up with the allowed hours, we've worked really hard over the years to measure and manage the process of how long it takes to clean a home. And that starts with accurate quoting. We're looking at a demo environment here. This does not have the same pricing as us, but you get the idea. We're measuring things like how big the house is, bedrooms, bathrooms, and so forth. Even how many floors it has, because that affects stairwells. How many people live there, pets, anything else that would affect how long it would take to clean that home, any add-ons or anything else that we might want to make sure that we're measuring time for. So we put all those into an accurate quote for cleaning the home. From there, that comes up with the allowed hours. That's how long we believe it should take to clean that home. Now that's not perfect. So that relies on a system where we're communicating that. So again, we're going to measure that on every job, how long it takes to complete, and compare that to the allowed hours. That measurement is what we call productivity. And we're measuring it on every team member, every job, and constantly trying to improve our ability to measure and manage that, give accurate quotes, and give our team members jobs that are profitable for them to do. So on your job schedule, you're going to be given jobs that are broken up into, what we would consider the appropriate times. So this job is 4.98 labor hours. It's divided by 3 people. So this team is supposed to be out of there in 1.65 hours. In your mobile app for Maid Central, every job has a time that will tell you exactly what time you're supposed to be out of that home. Use that tool to help you hit your productivity time. So if we were to be checked into one of these jobs, it would actually have the time right at the top. And if somebody comes and helps us, that time will adjust. So as long as we hit that time or under, our productivity will be easy to hit. Now, we understand that you can't always do that. Maybe the house was underbid or there's something else. But we want you to communicate those issues. And again, to get this time, we're measuring it against every home that you do. And every single day, we're looking at those measurements. So why does it matter? Okay, why it matters for you specifically is that your productivity score can, in effect, adjust your total hourly rate. So let's say you're a solo and you're assigned a 4 labor hour home, which has 4 allowed hours. If that house was priced at $250, your job share could start at $90 and go up from there, but the starting point would be $22.50 per hour. If you cleaned it in 4 hours, your productivity score would be 4 cleaning hours divided by 4 allowed hours to give you that 100% productivity. That's our goal, to create accurate quotes with the correct allowed hours. If you took 5 hours to clean that home, your productivity score would be 80%. 4 allowed hours divided by 5 actual hours would give us that score. Now, in that situation, if you felt that it was going over through no fault of your own, you should contact the office so we can see if we can add extra time to that visit or do other things. Oftentimes, though, you're a new technician, things like that, and you're just getting your feet underneath you. So just remember, you'll never make less than your guarantee. So, we always want to focus on quality first. But let's say though it did take you 5 hours, right? That means your effective hourly rate was decreased from $22.50 to $18 per hour. That's a significant decrease, and we want to make sure that when those things are happening, that we inform the office of any concerns so we can evaluate the job and make adjustments if necessary. But here's the opposite of that. As you get more experience and as you follow our standardized routines and processes, as you continue to do the simple little things every day, starting in the same place in the room so you're not backtracking, making sure that you have all of your tools with you so you're not looking for things as you're going to clean, making sure that you ask for an extension cord from the office so that when you plug in once on a floor, you don't have to go searching around for additional outlets. All of that can save you significant amounts of time throughout your day. So what if you were able to clean that in in less time, let's say we get to this 130% productivity, that's kind of like where we kind of peak out. That same job with 4 allowed hours might only take you 3 hours and 6 minutes. So that same job could earn you $29 per hour. So if you come up here and we're looking at these times on this sheet, this team, they had 4.23 allowed hours. It took them 3.25 actual hours. So they went over by just about an hour. Now, what we see though is we're tracking all this data historically, and we're actually coming up with a normalized time based on the productivity, the historical productivity of those team members on the team, and even some adjustments for whether someone's new. And so what this is saying is, this normalized time is saying this should have taken a normal cleaning technician who's been here a while, knows the job. It should only take 3.48 hours. So we might be underbid by a little bit and need to raise their price maybe a quarter of an hour, but 3/4 of an hour went over because the technicians needed to actually accelerate the pace at which they were cleaning. Maybe they forgot something and had to run out to their car. Whatever it was, it took extra time. So in the other instance though, sometimes operators get faster and that is okay. But the point is not to rush, but to work with purpose, to follow our standardized cleaning processes. And when you do, you'll increase your overall productivity score over time and your effective hourly rate. The longer you're here and have a consistent route, consistent customers, the easier it will be to see your productivity score rise. Even a 10% increase in productivity can increase your average wage by over $2 an hour. The caveat here is that if you're cutting corners to increase productivity, your quality score will decrease. Just remember, every job is measured with a customer scorecard, and over half of every job we get a scorecard back from. So if your quality is not up to standards, your actual total earnings will be decreased because you'll be making less tips, you'll miss out on your monthly quality bonus, and if you fall through standards altogether, you may be placed in a recovery program where you're only making hourly instead of your job share until you improve. But just a quick reminder, scorecards affect your tips dramatically. Every time that a customer fills that out, it'll ask them if they'd like to tip. And if you think that they're going to give you a tip if they think that the service was just okay, think again. They're only giving those out for excellence. So again, cleaning fast is great as long as you produce great quality. We always recommend that you focus on quality first and improve your speed over time by following our practices, procedures, and getting to know your customers' homes. So again, in addition to productivity and efficiency, you can improve your total earnings with tips, monthly bonuses for quality and attendance, and we'll discuss those in a later video, but hopefully you have a better understanding about what productivity is and how it can affect your total earnings at Better Life Maids.